The Realme GT 7 Pro was one of the cheapest flagship phones with the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, like a base variant is also in the works. It seems that a Realme GT 7 was spotted on a major Chinese certification platform. The TINA listing model number RMX5090, the certification lists some pictures of the supposed Realme GT 7, which has a design reminiscent of the GT 7 Pro. The Realme GT 7 sports a tall 6.78-inch AMOLED display that offers 1.5K resolution, it to offer high brightness and high refresh rate as well. An in-display fingerprint scanner. The chipset has an octa-core chip with a clock speed of 4.3 GHz. This seems quite close to the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC, paired with up to 24 GB of RAM with 1 TB of internal storage. The rear will reportedly have a 50MP plus 8MP dual camera setup, while the front has a 16 GB selfie camera. It packs massive 6,310 mAh battery. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.